In this video, I am going to show you how to create a Telegram account on PC. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, just go ahead, open up your browser, and then type in Telegram Web. Now, after you do that, just click on the first result. And now you can see here, this is the link for Telegram Web. Just go ahead and click it. Now, after you have clicked it, just wait a couple of moments. You can see here that you can log into Telegram by QR code. Open Telegram on your phone, then go to Settings. After that, click on Devices, and after that, click on Link Desktop Device. So after you have done that, you will be automatically logged in like then, or you can sign in with your phone number. So I am going to sign in now with my phone number. And now after I have done that, as you can see, Telegram now is available on my computer so I can access it. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.